Installing a deadbolt, put it in the locked position first and take the key out. That way this pin in the back will stay stable and it'll help you align the screws. Take a visual and see your screw holes. Once those are lined up, it's just a matter of matching everything. So first the pin, match to the inside. Now the screws should just follow into place. That's one. That's two. Don't over tighten the screws, it jams up the lock. Once that's just sitting there, give it a little action. And you're done.
Beautiful. Good job, Brian.